this is how we foam roll our quads. So with your foam roller, what you'll do, have it on the ground, and you're going to be rolling through the whole muscle. So from the hip bone at the front, going all the way down to just on top of your knee. So not only just going up and down, but you also want to do more the inner part as well, and more the outer part. So try and get that whole quad muscle through. And if you find some spots that are quite sore, what you can do is just stay on that spot and just bend the knee slowly and then straighten it out. Bend and straighten. This might be quite painful, but it's going to be really good at releasing certain spots. So just nice and slow, roll through the whole thing and making sure to get the inside, the top and the outside. So give that a go, see how it feels.